Hey guys, so we brought the Tesla Model 3 outside in the sun so you guys can see how much glossier this paint got with obviously the paint protection film installed on the full front end. All right, so we have pretty much cut out everything for the Tesla Model 3. This is the last piece. This is the bumper piece. So everything was computer cut. And now we're gonna install the bumper, the fenders. I had already installed the hood, so we forgot to videotape that, but you guys will see how we install the bumper and the fenders. After that, we polished the paint and then applied a 5-year ceramic coating throughout the rest of the vehicle. We did it on the paint protection film section as well, and we did all the glass with ceramic coating, so like that it has a permanent, kind of like a Rain-X effect on the glass. Another thing I forgot to mention is that we did ceramic window tinting on the whole vehicle. All right, so we already have the full back glass. It has been shrunk. That was half of the battle. Now the other battle is to actually bring it inside and install it. Being a big piece of glass like this, it's not an easy installation. So I'm gonna have Danny here help me out. We're gonna do what's called a reverse roll. So the glass has already been cleaned. The film has already been shrunk. Now it's ready for us to bring it inside and install it. All right, here we go. Sácalo todo, sácalo todo. Ok, déjame todo para abajo. Yo abajo, yo ya estoy. So it has ceramic window tinting. We did the full back glass. So that piece, remember I showed you guys earlier, we were getting ready to do. So we did the full back glass with the side windows with 35%, a very conservative tint. And that's it. It's pretty much protected on the inside with the window tinting. The paint on the rest of the vehicle is ceramic coated, and then it's wrapped on the front. So if you guys have a Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model S, Tesla Model Y, the Model X, let us know. We're here to help. We'll definitely protect your investment from day one.